Greetings, I'm Libby and I'm with the OvrStream team. Today, we're going to walk you through setup for OvrStream if you've purchased us through the Streamlabs OBS App Store. To start with one of our template scenes, you'll click Scene Browser. This will open up a menu of just some of the animated templates OvrStream offers you to get started. Find one that fits your style and it will start to render. Remember, these aren't just video files. OvrStream is rendering these animations for you, so this first round of setting up may take a moment. On the left is our playlist. You'll see all the alert types the template offers here. Follows, subs, merch alerts, tips, bits, and so much more. And above it will preview a static image of its location on screen. If you hit the play button, it'll show you exactly how it will animate within your scene here on the right. Let's say we've started with our Royale scene, but the colors don't quite fit my stream's brand. Easy. To adjust placement, colors, or the template text, you can simply click once on the alert in the playlist and our attributes window will pop up. This segment allows you to change the colors of an alert, adjust the template text, for example, thanks for the follow instead of new follower, or move the alert around on screen. You can customize this part however you like. Once I've made a few edits, this alert is now just a little more custom to me and my channel. Usernames will automatically generate, just like the alerts you're used to. With OvrStream, however, they'll animate in and out however you design them to, in 3D space and in real time. If you want to make further edits to the templates, changing the animations themselves down to each individual keyframe, you can click on Edit Title Design here in the attribute window. This will pop you into our title designer. When you're ready to dive in here, we've got a few more helpful tutorials on Title Designer in our 101 playlist. If you'd like to edit your overall scene or add more alerts, including custom alerts triggered right out of your Twitch chat, you can click on the Open OvrStream Scene Editor button. This will take the main OvrStream window out of the background. Again, when you're ready to learn more about this, check out our OvrStream Standalone Getting Started guide. Thank you so much for giving OvrStream a try. If you get stuck along the way, we've got a user community and support Discord, or you can find the OvrStream team on Twitter at OvrStream. That's OvrStream. Links to both of those are also in the description box below. We can't wait to see what you create.